I'm Lily and I'm a rising senior at Amador Valley High School, and for my Blue Stamp project, I've been building a smart refrigerator which tracks and registers the items in your storage. Just as a recap, for my first milestone, I made a barcode scanner, and since then I've been really just adding hardware to my smart refrigerator. So for my second milestone, I actually have a couple of things. First, I added a scale which records the weight of items that are being put into the refrigerator, and this is really just going towards tracking the usage of items in the storage. Second, I added a switch, so now users can choose between inputting and outputting items. I also added a buzzer, which basically is triggered when a barcode is detected. And I really added this because when it comes down to just the smart refrigerator, there won't be a terminal or a display that allows users to know that the program is running. So the buzzer is really just there to give users feedback. Lastly, I added an LED light, and it's the same as the buzzer, just gives users feedback, and it just turns on and stays on while the program is running. So I can show you guys a quick demo of what I've been making. And so this is the smart refrigerator minus the refrigerator. So this is the Raspberry Pi. This is the Pi camera. This is the flip switch. And as you can see, there are 3 wires: a red wire, blue wire, and yellow wire. And so currently it is towards the red wire, so it is inputting items. And the red wire is connected to a 5-volt pin, so it's connected to power. The yellow wire is connected to a ground pin, and the blue wire in the middle is connected to a GPIO pin. And I'm using GPIO pins for all of these hardware systems. GPIO pin basically allows these systems to be connected to the code in the Raspberry Pi desktop. So when I flip the switch to the yellow side, the yellow wire side, it will be outputting items. Next is the scale. There's 2 plates. Again, these wires are connected to GPIO pins, and this popsicle stick actually originally wasn't in the set. I added it because when it shipped, there was actually a crack in the plate, and my instructor, Kevin, just advised me to hot glue a popsicle stick to it so that it stays level, and it works. So next is this breadboard. It's connected to this buzzer, and the second breadboard is connected to a white LED. And then I can show you guys the program. Actually, first I will show you guys the CSV file just to give you guys a before and after. So since the first milestone, I actually added 2 more fields, a quantity field and a weight field. So now duplicates barcodes, it just increments the quantity and increments the weight. So when I run the program, the first thing that should happen is that the LED turns on. So while we watch, the LED light turns on. Next thing that should happen is the footage should appear. And I'll scan something again. This time it'll be Hot Cheetos line. And this is the barcode. And once it appears in the footage, there's the beeper, shows that the barcode has been detected. If we look at the terminal, there's a line that is printed that says "tear done, add weight now." And what that means is that the scale has correctly zeroed, and now it is ready for a weight to be recorded. So I don't actually have Hot Cheetos line, so I'll just be using this mug. And if we look at the terminal again, it's going to be counting up to 10. And once it hits 10, that'll mean that the weight has successfully been recorded. And once we reload the CSV file, the quantity should increment along with the weight. And it does. And that is my second milestone. Thank you.